So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the transition time between different clips here in iMovie. So first thing you have to do is open up iMovie. Once that is done, then first off you have to add some transitions to your video. So for this demonstration, I actually just have a pattern background. But if you wanted to maybe add another background, how about I just add another pattern one right here? If you wanted to change the transition time between us, I think automatically it defaults to 1 second. So if I were to play this video, it'll transition automatically from one clip to the other. So if you want to change the transition time, it's super duper simple. Go to the transition, press on it. Now, first off, you can change the transition to none, theme, dissolve, slide, wipe, fade, you name it. Now, if you want to change the time in the bottom left, as of right now, so it defaults to 0.5 seconds, you can select 1 second, 1.5 seconds, and 2 seconds as well. So if you wanted to make this a 2-second transition, press on that. So if you were to play it, the transition should be a little bit longer now. As it is right there, the transition is a little bit longer. If you want to edit it one more time, press on it. You can change it to 1 second, whatever the case may be. You can play around with it that way. But pretty much that's how you guys can edit the transition time between clips here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.